So friends, how are you? Today we discuss about the geography of Middle East. Middle East, why we call it Middle East? The answer is that the Middle East because it lies between the mid of the Asia, Africa and Europe. That is why we call it Middle East. This part is located in mid of the Asia, Europe and Africa. So these are the part. This is the world map. Look at this. This is the North America, this is South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia. This is the Middle East. Middle East or Near East or Southwest Asia. Water bodies: Nile River, Tigris River, Euphrates River, Jordan River, Persian Gulf, Arabian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Black Sea, Red Sea, Suez Canal, Straits of Hormuz, Atlantic Ocean, the mighty Nile River, the longest river in the world. The Landsat image left show the Nile flowing into the delta. An outline of the continent United States might show the length of the Nile course. The actual length of Nile with all its twists and turns more than 4,100 miles. Egypt, the gift of the Nile. This is the Nile data. The annual Nile flood. 95% of Egyptian people live on 5% of the land. Aswan High Dam, Egypt, hydroelectric power plant. Suez Canal, completed by the British in 1869. The Tigris and Euphrates river system. Mesopotamia, land between the two rivers. Marsh, Arab so Iraq. Dust storm along the Tigris-Euphrates floodplains. The Jordan river system. Israel and Jordan a fight over the water rights. Dead Sea, lowest point on the earth, about 2,300 below the sea level. The highest salt content 33% in Dead Sea. Mountains and plateaus. Atlas Mountain, Taurus Mountains, Elbrus Mountains, Zagros Mountains, Iranian Plateau, mountain range in Middle East: Elbrus Mountain, Iran; Zagros Mountains, Iran; Lebanon Mountains in Lebanon; Taurus Mountains in Turkey; Desert, Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Sinai Desert, Libyan Desert, Rabbul Khali desert boundaries. Breeding area of desert locusts. Swamp of desert locusts. Israel hit by worst locust plague since 1915. Locust swamp the pyramids complex at Giza. Rabbul Khali, the empty quarter desert in Saudi Arabia. Desert oasis, water at premium. Fresh groundwater source. Desalination plant in Saudi Arabia. Fertile crescent. This is the Fertile Crescent. Israel, Egypt, Jordan, Syria, Iraq, Saudi Arabia. Complete map. This is the complete map. Physical features and others. The Middle East versus latitude lines. Tropic of Cancer. Wait a minute. Middle East climate region. Semi-arid, arid and Mediterranean. This is the population density map. You can see this. Cairo, the most populated city in the Middle East. Middle East natural vegetation. The natural resources of Middle East: coal, iron, copper, petroleum, natural gas, hydraulic power station, lead and tin, fishing. World oil reserves: Asia Pacific 38, North America 49, Africa 77, Europe and Eurasia 97, South and Central America 98, Middle East 685.6%. Persian Gulf oil export 2003, UAE 40%, Iran 50%, Iraq 5%, Kuwait 12%, Qatar 5%, Saudi Arabia 49%. Saudi oil field and refineries. Kuwait, an island floating on the sea of oil. Leading versus oil suppliers. Canada, barrier per day 1.6666. Saudi Arabia 1697. Venezuela 1568, Mexico 1347, Nigeria 894, Iraq 732, Norway 346, Angola 332, United Kingdom 303. Source: Energy Information Administration. The US import 30% of its oil need from the Middle East. So this is all about the just intro of the Middle East. In next slide we will detail on Middle East. Thank you for being stay with us.